Today is CPI and today is a Wednesday, guys. Third week of the month, or is it second week of the month, right? Second week of the month. So we are actually having CPI today at exactly 1:30, and if I look at the time here, my time reads, I think, sorry, I will just check that out right now. This is 11:50. So I'm actually waiting for some crazy trade setups which I have. You can see I have my laptop on the side. So guys, I'm waiting out. I'm having some setups which I want to show you guys real quick. So before that comes in, let me just do the analysis and show you guys so that you guys can see. So check it out here. So if you come on our charts, so I'll just zoom in so that we can get into the charts very soon. That's real quick. I think. All right, so right now we are looking at the market on GBP JPY, and actually I find this setup very, very interesting. One of the first things I like about this setup is let me ignore this real quick. Bro, ignore, come on. Okay, so like I'm saying, GBP JPY, we are currently looking at the 4-hour time frame, and price is on a downtrend. That's one thing I like about this setup, and it's very, very interesting because we have this lower push to the downside. That's, you know, the swing low, and then we have a little swing high, and then a swing low, a swing high, swing low, swing high, and it goes on. And then we have like this break of structure that's somewhere here, and upon this break of structure, now price is like coming back to this zone here, but it's not actually reaching there. But we can see that the momentum here is very, very slow, right? The momentum here is very, very slow. So at this point in time, you're about to have CPI, and there's a high probability that I'm looking out for the market to just pump down all the way from here. So I'll definitely take my sales all the way from here, and then I have my stop loss at the top of this. Okay, so with that, I'll actually set my position here, and then I'll set my stop loss here. That's it for GBP JPY. And then the next trade idea which I actually have also is this one, which is very, very interesting, Euro JPY as well. I feel like these two setups are like brothers and sisters. They kind of relate, and if you look at it as well, you notice that the setup is very, like, the difference is not even that much actually. So we have the same type of projection. I'm looking out for a sell, and I'm waiting for price to actually tap into this zone here, and then I'll definitely be selling as well. And then the final setup which I'm actually looking out to on the same 4-hour time frame is USD JPY. And if you look at USD JPY, that's here. If you look at USD JPY, that's 4-hour time frame. Everything looks so similar. The same thing, we are having price on a minor resistance zone. Price is rejecting, and we are a little bit in profit. I've already taken all these trades, and I dropped the trades in the Telegram. So we are a little bit in profit here, and I'm actually selling too. So I'm holding, so that when price comes in here, when news data gets released, I'll be waiting to see if it pushes all the way down here. So the question now most of us as traders will be asking is, why are you selling on CPI before the data release? Okay, so that's a question which I'm about to answer right now, and that's very, very interesting question. So one of the main reasons why I'm selling right now is because I have knowledge on fundamental news outcomes. That's something that it has taken me over 6 months to study. And if you go on Forex Factory, I'll just search on Forex Factory right now. Forex Factory, we already have it there. I'll just tap on enter. Okay, so while it's loading, I have knowledge on fundamentals in terms of me understanding what the news is saying and what can probably happen based on previous news data release. So on Forex Factory, if you tap on here, I'll go straight away to the calendar. On the calendar, I'll tap on this week. On this week, I'm going to go on filters. Yep, I'll have to filter out some things are not necessary. That's on Wednesday. So this is Wednesday today, and this is 1:30 here. And the reason why I'm looking out to sell USD JPY in particular is because I'm expecting a negative outcome on USD news, which is going to come out year-on-year data. Okay, that's the USD CPI here, year-on-year data. That should be, which is, they are expecting, investors are expecting that this news comes out at 3.0, but I believe that it's going to come out way below 3.0, so that should be negative. And on a negative data, that's going to bring a weakness in the US dollars. A weakness in the US dollars is in turn going to bring weakness in things like pairs like USD JPY, you know, USD CHF. Any pair where USD comes first, USD is going to be dropping. But any pair where USD comes second, there will definitely be seeing things like buys. So for things like GBP USD, Euro USD, we definitely should be looking at buys on those pairs. So coming back again to Forex, to trading view, this is what I'm saying. I'm looking out for a sell on USD JPY, and USD JPY is in line with my trend. The trend is showing a downtrend, and I'm actually looking to sell based on my fundamental outlooks. So what I'm going to do is I'm already in this trade, and I'm going to post the running trades here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send my break even just very soon, way before the news comes in, and then hold on way into the news. When the news gets released, then you are going to know how it's going to run. All right, so guys, the projection which I've given out here is something which I'm waiting out for on CPI to be released. That's in 1 hour time, or maybe it's like 30 minutes left. So the time is 12. That's in about 1 hour 30 minutes time. I should be expecting the news to come out, and that's what I've given. I have just dropped all these setups. I've just dropped them in my Telegram below, and I'm trading this in my Tentra account. So I'm going to drop the running trades right now on the screen so that you guys can see. The running trades is on the screen right now. You can just check that out here. You're going to see it running right now on the screen. So from here, all I can do is just be patient, hold it straight, and see what's going to happen all the way to CPI. Okay, so at the same time, I've applied my proper risk management, and the highest I can do is just hold on. Okay, so that's it for CPI. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. All right, so I want to show you guys a short step on how you can use to, you know, when you want to verify your account, because most people be like, yeah, they have watched the previous videos, but then they don't know how to verify their Tentrade account. So I have a short step which I've just taken a record of my phone, and I want to show you right now how to verify your Tentrade account. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to sign up with your Tentrade. That's the moment you have already put in your password and everything, you need to sign up. So you're going to go ahead and put in your password and then your email. Then from there you tap sign in, you put the remember me, so that each time you want to sign up back, it remembers you easily. And then you're going to find yourself in this page, and on this page here you're going to notice that it says there you have not yet been verified, which is in the yellow mark. So you scroll down, you scroll all the way down, and then they say address, proof of address for identity, and then they'll ask you the two types of addresses, the proof of identity and proof of address. So in this one, the identity has already been verified, but then we are going to be doing proof of address. So you're going to be needed to put in your country. That's your country. You will select the country there. Mine is Cameroon, so I'm definitely putting in there Cameroon. And then from there, the next thing we are going to be doing is you're going to put the postal code. You're going to be putting your location in the country, and then from there you scroll down a little bit. You're going to get you now to where they require the document itself. This document is very important. They'll be asking you for any document that you need in order to verify your account. That could be a bill, that's your utility bill, or any bill any document used to do payment. Okay, because these documents do contain your information, your number and everything. So that's what is needed for your proof of address. So you're going to put that in there. So I just take upload. So once this document has been uploaded, the next thing I have to do now is just to wait for my email, because I just need to wait for my email to be sent to me. And once my email is sent to me, it's going to show that I have confirmed my proof of address. And once my proof of address has been confirmed, that definitely means that I can do deposits, I can do withdrawals free and easy, and I'm not going to have any issue with Tentrade.
Ago, how are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
You're fine.
And you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
That sun is actually okay on your face. Look here a bit. Don't be shy. That's good. Mommy's boy.
Alright, so right now we are on, this is Forex Factory, and you can check it out here. You can see that we are currently having a news counting down, 2 minutes left. Moment of truth, guys. This is the moment of truth, and let's see how it goes. I'm currently looking out for this thing to come in negative. So this is USD JPY on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, guys. Let me see, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Looking good. I'm in profit. So I'm just going to set some of my positions to break even. Where's my phone? Hand it over to me. It's at the other pocket. Okay, so I'll just set some of my positions at break even right now. Yep. So, yep, that's it. The positions I've set at break even, that's going to secure me. While some of my positions, I allow my stop loss to still be where it is, right? So that's for me to reduce the level of risk and at the same time anticipate to maximize more profit. So that's the reason why I am doing this. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of pressure here. I'm excited, guys. I want to see what CPI looks like. I'm excited. 20 seconds going, 20 seconds going, we are counting. 60 seconds, 60 seconds going, we are counting. 13. And let's see what's going to happen, guys. Going back to the 4 hour. Oh, the 1 hour looks good though. 1 hour looks better. It's dropping. Okay. Okay. Yeah, in. So let's see what's happening. Still pending. It's pending, guys. It's pending. So let's watch out. I thought it was going to be like 50 pips by now. It's not even moving, guys. Like, I don't get it. Let me check out the 4 hour. No reaction. Jeez.
Go down a lower time frame.
I've gone to 1 hour time frame, but the
Go
movement
to 30
is very,
minutes.
very slow.
Go to 30 minutes.
30 minutes not even like 30 minutes.
Or
not even-
15. Anyway.
There's no reaction. Just a very minor buy. And it's negative, just like I said. CPI year on year, guys, negative 2.9 as compared to the anticipated. You know, they were talking about it coming out at 3.0, maintaining it at 3.0, but it's at 2.9. That's negative. So it gives me enough reason to keep holding. So there's no reason why I should exit this trade actually. So whatever is happening here, I believe is just a very short buy, and it's going to eventually sell back because the CPI year on year is actually negative. So let me check on GBP JPY. GBP JPY still looking at entry point. Euro JPY, all of them, they are still doing pretty much the same thing. So we are just going to wait and see what happens. All right, so CPI is not moving. It's pretty slow. Like actually looking at USD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, the market is still slow, and I wasn't expecting it. So the highest thing I can do is close the laptop, and that's my analysis because there's nothing for me trading again. The news came out negative and it's still in line with my bias and analysis, so there's no reason for me to exit my trades. So I'll just break even and then just keep holding. That's just what I'm going to do. So if he hits my stop loss at break even, then I'm good to go, and if he doesn't do that, then you should definitely keep pushing into profit. That's my expectation. So guys, in the meantime, I'm floating in losses because the CPI data is out, but then what's happening is I'm not in profit. Price has actually gone up. I'm floating a little bit of loss, somewhere minus $60, but I still think that's going to drop. Actually, I believe it's going to drop because the data came out negative, which is still in anticipation and in the same direction with my trade idea. So eventually I'm going to hold. I have updated my Telegram just here, and you will definitely get into profit, I am sure. So I just keep holding. All right, I got back into profit, guys. This is serious. Like, patience plus confidence is very important in trading. You will not even imagine. In less than a second ago, I was in some losses. I'm floating over $100 in losses, and me keep holding because I understood what the data was saying on CPI. has eventually pushed back again into profits. And eventually, maybe in the next YouTube video which I pop up here, I'll definitely tell you guys how this previous trade went by. So thanks for watching, guys, and peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video I look a little bit grown, so I just need to go and get some haircut right now, and that'll be it for the video.